Do you ever wonder what happens when the police leave? Crime scene cleaners are private companies that handle the cleanup after the police are gone. Spaulding Decon is one of the nation's largest cleanup companies handling the aftermath of homicides, suicides, decompositions, hoarding, and much more. These are our stories.
So we are in Tampa, Florida, doing a hoard content removal with a deep clean. Client's a young girl. Things just kind of got ahead of her and things got messy with health issues. So we're here to help her. So there's 4 cats in the home. They just come out of nowhere. What, cats? Why do I always do the ghost shit? So we are in Tampa, Florida, doing a hoard content removal with a deep clean. Client's a young girl. She's moving out off the place that she's been renting. She's downsizing. So things just kind of got ahead of her and things got messy with health issues. So we're here to help her and to try and make things better so she can move out, I believe, in the next week or so.
Pretty easy job, right? Probably be done before the end of the day.
So we're looking at like a day for the content removal with the deep clean. You've got me, Thad, and Gryffin working today, so we've got a good crew. Should be fairly no issues. So there's 4 cats in the home. Me and Thad's probably going to struggle with some cat allergies. So Gryffin will strive with that one. All right, let's do this. It's hot.
Yeah.
So hot. I didn't grow up with these like pocket doors or whatever they're called. But when I would see them like open, I would always try to like grab them to like open, like grab the door itself. It wasn't until like a year ago I realized there's a fucking...
Yeah, we have one of those in our house, and I used to get like grapes and put it right here and just... It really shows the difference in personality here.
Yeah, yes it does. But I was legit like hurt my fingers like trying to grab it.
Aww.
And it was like in less than the past year.
They don't have those in England, or?
I mean, they might. I didn't have them.
Okay.
Do you use these?
No. I have a bidet.
That doesn't surprise me. But I'm serious, I hate stuff like that. It's like marketed specifically towards men because God forbid you wipe your manly ass with anything else. Like fucking baby wipes. They're the exact same thing. These are my man-child wipes.
How do you really feel?
What?
How do you really feel?
Because it's just like, oh, I can't wipe my manly ass with anything else besides dude wipes, otherwise that makes me feminine.
I think one of her cats, pieces of shit, came alive, decided to walk up my boot, jump down into my boot, and fall in there. Little pieces of crumb shit. That's why you double sock up, people.
Double sock.
You know what I'm saying? But my feet are very blessed. My feet are very thankful.
I'm gonna let this soak while we...
So you're gonna be scrubbing the floor and these parts too?
Yeah, we're doing a full deep clean. But this stuff's pretty caked.
Oh wait, is it picking stuff up?
Huh?
Is it picking stuff up?
No, on your knees.
Oh. See, someone recognizes it.
It's true though.
What?
Huh? Huh?
Is this it?
Yeah.
everything's professionally sweet, you feel me? How long have you been hoarding like this?
Not long.
Okay, long?
It's been since I got sick, basically.
Yes, ma'am.
I mean, I've always been, like, pretty messy. Not messy, but, like, cluttered, but just, like, clothes and books and things that just needed to be put away, you know? Like, take me 2 or 3 hours to clean my house sort of thing. This is, unfortunately, just the last couple of years, it's just, you know, just with being sick and,
it just became a little bit overwhelming for you.
deal with a lot of just so many health issues all at once, and then quarantine hit, and I was like, oh, you know, I'm going to be home all the time, and it'll be so easy to take care of everything. You don't realize how emotionally and, like, mentally that type of thing affects you, so.
We'll have it cleaned up for you in no time.
I know. You guys were on break, I was like, texted my mom, and I was like, they've already gotten, like, half the place done.
Yeah, we move pretty quick, pretty good at it.
This would have taken me 2 weeks to do it.
They just come out of nowhere all the time.
What, cat?
Damn, that little tip off.
Ooh.
Oh, dance and dance.
Why do I always do the ghost shit?
I could have done it.
That's when you're the boss.
Yeah.
You just beat me to it.
I love my job.
I love my job. I love my job.
If you go along the tile all the way to the corner, but the whole bathtub. All that stuff is
That's a good separate man.
cute. What?
Oh, you coming up here?
Just another day. Where is the water coming from? Because it's not there, because on top of the Swiffer is dry. So it's not, which means it's got to be the disposal somewhere, because on the quarter for disposal, it's dripping. Well, I guess if I use this side, it should be fine.
You throw a little Drano down the garbage disposal one? Or?
I will once it drains out,
Yeah.
but it's,
Oh, it's still flooded?
yeah.
Great, it's good in here.
when you're doing dishes, you think you're done, and then you turn around, like, you just find something else to wash. I hate that feeling.
Do you think, because of this job, are you, like, extra clean at home, or?
I don't like dishes in the sink at all. Like, I don't let them just, as soon as they hit the sink, like, it's because I'm washing them. This job makes you want to be more like a minimalist, to be honest with you. I've always kind of been that way, but this job's definitely, like, reassured me on that, I guess you can say. What about you?
I've also already been kind of clean. That's just kind of my mom drilled into me. I wish I could be more, I'd like to be more minimalistic as far as just like belongings go. I don't have any clutter really, but I still have stuff that I don't use, you know?
To me, it's like, if I don't use it and it doesn't have a place, like I don't need it, you know?
Alright, Fee. How'd today go?
Alright, so we finished off the content removal with the deep clean to say that we have an entire dump trailer full of trash. Like, we did a really good job. Client is happy. Cats are happy. They have room to run around now. So we did really well. And just in time for the sun to come out too. So starting to warm up.
How you feel, Gryffin?
It's hot potato out here.
Hot potato out here. How you feel, Fed?
Fed, how you feel?
Can't talk right now, I'm doing my girl shit. Go ahead, sir.
You got a guitar?
Yeah, man, your boy's gonna be fiddling a little bit.
What was your new name gonna be?
Not the Dave Matthews Band, the Dave Blackhues Band.
Alright, thank you.
Alright.
I'm taking lessons. Anybody wants to help me? I know y'all know how to play, so thank you for it.
I play the drums and the cello.
That just fits your aesthetic, I don't know.
I always wanted to play the sax and the violin, and my mom put me on the cello. But drums? Love the drums.
Fun fact, I know how to play the fucking didgeridoo.
That's not surprising either.
No.
You know how to play guitar?
I know how to play, I just don't know how to play, if that makes any sense. Like, I was taught how to play, but I never practiced, so like, I don't know how to. If I practiced, I'd know how to play. If that makes sense.
That's
no,
usually
I don't
how
know
it
how
works,
to play.
yeah.
So
I don't, it's a
she
fancy
doesn't
way.
know how to play.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Typically,
There you go.
yeah, you learn how to play by practicing. So.
Yeah, usually. That's
Yeah.
how it works.
How's the best cameraman in the world doing today?
Aww.
Issue, bro.
Alright, on that we're gonna cut.
Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell to be notified of the next episode.
For more information, visit any of our locations.